This quick video will show you how to calculate sample size using StatCrunch when you're given certain restrictions. It's very similar to questions 10, 11, and 12 from the Module 3 homework. So here's an example. It's my problem 10. A researcher wishes to estimate the proportion of adults who have high-speed internet access. What size of the sample should be obtained if she wishes to estimate to be within 0.01 with 90% confidence? A, she uses a previous estimate of 0.54, or B, if she does not use any prior estimates, which means she'll use 0.5. So we're into StatCrunch. This is going to be under Stat, Proportions, because we have to calculate or estimate based on a proportion. And it's going to be one sample because we're looking solely at adults, not comparing males and females. And power/sample size because we have to calculate a sample size. We need to find a confidence interval because we need to be within 0.02. Four spaces to fill in. We only enter 3 of them. First one is the confidence level. That's going to be 0.90 for me. Target proportion. We're told that in A, she's going to use a previous estimate of 0.54, so we'll put 0.54 there. In B, she doesn't use any prior estimates, so we're going to put 0.5 there. And we either enter the width or the sample size. And the width, we're told, is 0.02. We need to be within 0.01, so doubling that because it's in both directions. And compute. Correct answer is given down here in sample size. It's 6,721. For B, it's exactly the same except the target proportion is going to be 0.50. And the width is going to be the same, 0.02. Which is, again, 0.01 doubled. And compute 6764. That's for 10. But 11 is going to be very similar. 11, a researcher wishes to estimate the percentage of adults who support abolishing the penny. And gives us some information. Again, stat, proportions, because we wish to estimate the percentage of adults or proportion of adults. One sample because it's only adults. We're not comparing two different populations. Power and sample size. Again, we need to be within 2 percentage points, which means that it's going to be a confidence interval. 99% confidence. Previous estimate given is 0.36. Delete the sample size, and the width is going to be 4 percentage points, 0.04. And compute 3822 is going to be our sample size that we need. And if we don't use any prior, that means that the target proportion is going to be 0.50. And we'll go ahead and clear the sample size. Width is still going to be 4%. Compute 4,147. And that's how you do it. Hopefully this was helpful.